Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be removing a gelx set. So starting right off, I'm using the nail clippers and I am clipping them as short as I possibly can. My nails are super short underneath, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, just cut them down as short as you possibly can. Then I am taking my e-file. This is from Amazon and my bit is from Temu. It's a pretty coarse grit thing, and I'm just putting it on like a 2, and I'm starting to carefully file off the gel polish. Of course, brilliantly, I'm using my left hand. That's just how it happened because I lost a thumb on my right hand, so I wanted to take this right hand off. But we are just going to take off this polish low and slow. I mean, I'm not a professional, so yeah, but I'm just leaning over a paper towel. I don't have a dust collector yet, so that's why. And we are just moving on, and yeah. So now I'm getting rid of my super gross paper towel and I'm trimming them down even more because I can see my nails underneath, and the less you have, the easier it is. So just trim them down accordingly. If you have longer nails, obviously, longer natural nails, you might not want to do this. So we have some cotton pads, some oil, and the little holders. I cut my pads in half because you really only need half. Otherwise it's kind of a waste. And I'm just putting some oil on. And I'm going to apply a glove to my other hand because I'm keeping that set on for a bit. And we are going to put 100% acetone and then put the little cover on. It needs to be 100% acetone or it is not going to work, and you're going to wonder why. This is my favorite one, but they do have acetone at the Dollar Tree as well. That does work. I have it, I've tried it, so yeah. And after I apply all of these, I'm going to set a timer for like 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how lazy I am. And now I am doing my first round of scraping. So I'm taking this metal cuticle pusher and as gently as possible trying to scrape off the gel. You want to get all the pieces off that you possibly can, because if you leave them, they kind of like, and if you take too long, the acetone like stops working. So you kind of want to move quick, and then I'm just re-putting it back on. So I'm going to do this to all the fingers and reapply them, and unfortunately do another round of scraping. And it might look violent, but it's really not. I'm being pretty gentle, so just use your discretion. I mean, you can feel your fingers yourself, so you know if you're hurting yourself. But yeah. Okay, so we're back for the second round of scraping, which is super annoying, but you know, it's just something you have to deal with this. I waited probably 5 more minutes with those things on my fingers, and I am just finishing up getting the rest of the gel off. Yeah, I hate this so much. I mean, this is the fastest way to do it, in my opinion. You could fill a bowl with acetone. I used to do that, but then I realized that I was wasting so much acetone and it was like really annoying. So now I do it like this. But you can do what you want. This nail glue, this nail glue. I have a clip added in after this one, and I'm going to tell you about it and what it is. It's really rubbery. It is very hard to get off. It's super easy to apply, which is why I like it, but is it worth the extra hassle during the removal process? I don't know. Beware guys, this is the glue I used. It's the Unigella nail glue gel. It's really easy to apply your tips with this, but it is like rubbery. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's very thick and rubbery, so it's super hard to get off. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and then show you the next thing I do. They look disgusting. Okay, so this is just hot water from the sink, and I'm gonna just take some of this 100% olive oil, pour it in, and I'm gonna soak my fingers for about 5 minutes to bring them back to life, and I'll show you how they look when I'm done. It's literally already making such a difference. You really need to try this. You saw how dry my fingers were. And we're all done, guys. So I hope this was helpful in some way. If it was, feel free to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.